Alright, here it is. It's a John Deere 116 Baler, I believe. It might be a 114. There was 114 and a 116 made. And they quit making them, I think, in the early 50s, 52, 53. It goes sideways. And there's the plunger. And then the flywheel's back here. Turns the belt. It would be really interesting to see this thing working up close. There is a video of one of these working, and I'll leave a link in the description if you want to watch one of these in action. It's pretty cool. Brings the hay up. These things just flop and kind of stuff it in here, and it's pretty cool. So just drug this home. There was an almond tree there, but I took it out because after 10 years I still never got almonds. So, and it was starting to die. It was a hybrid, or a splice. They spliced two trees together. But anyway, on the baler, I don't know if you can see. There's the face of the plunger. That's a knife there, and then there's hay dogs here, and then I can't reach in there. Maybe I can. There's the knot in the wire, and there's one on the other side. And the wire goes in there. This is the squeeze chute for the back. There was four different. You could put 4 rolls of wire. I took this off to get it towed home so it wasn't sticking over the yellow line. And it towed pretty good. I was a little iffy on these tires. This thing's been sitting in the woods for years and years. I just got done pressure washing, trying to get most of the moss off of it. Kind of hard to see with the sun. There is a piece of cast broke here. I don't know what that's all about. So yeah, it'd be really interesting to put a GoPro up here while this thing's running. I don't know. This thing had a power plant on it. Sat right here. Oops, sorry about the camera. What did I do? This thing had a power plant on it. It was a neat little John Deere thing, and it had a radiator in the front, a gas tank on top, and a nice rounded cover on it. If I could put a Wisconsin on here somehow, there must be some kind of lever actuator over here somewhere. But yeah, here's the back of the knotters. Alright, thanks for watching.